So here is our color for our ensign, Toreador red. I guess that's how you say it. Looking like a Ferrari. So I'll pre-mix some of this, and all of this is sanded except for a little edge here because I don't want to screw my tape up. So I'll hand sand that, and then I can blow all the dust off. Oh, I gotta cut this too, actually. I forgot about that. Before I start sanding, I gotta cut my nose. And yeah, then go from there, prep the hulls, and I'm gonna hose everything down, wet everything down, blow this off with a dry rag, and then I will hit it with a little bit of water with a drop or two of Dawn, and then I'm gonna use well, I'll hit it with a tack rag first, but then I'll use some of this. Where did I put that? Oh yeah, some of this prep cleaner on the hull. That basically gets rid of all the grease, any grease, handprints, fingerprints, that kind of thing, from the hull. And then I will begin to spray. That is pretty much what is going on for today.